Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a narrow, reproducible environment. This prevents library conflicts and speeds iteration. Once your virtual env is active, install OpenEye, Transformers, FastAPI, Uvicorn, and Python.10 so you have model access, serving, and config support. Make sure to register API keys and place them in a env file. This secures credentials and simplifies switching providers. Then scaffold a small project. Config loader, requirements, txt, and a basic app. Py, this gives you a runnable baseline to build on. Now connect components so data flows predictably. Parse user input, route intent, query memory, and call the model wrapper. Implement the wrapper with retries, exponential backoff, and batch support to handle concurrency and API limits. This keeps your assistant reliable. Use a vector store backed by SQLite or Redis for embeddings. Store vectors plus metadata for fast recall. Once done, wire a simple intent router to decide when to fetch tools, call APIs, or answer directly. This keeps behavior predictable and auditable. Finish by containerizing your app and deploying with Docker or a cloud service, exposing a fast API post endpoint for chat clients. Add logs, structured metrics, and health endpoints so you can monitor latency and error rates. Include unit tests for the wrapper and memory layer. Once deployed, test with real queries and incremental load. If things go wrong, first verify API keys, inspect rate limit errors, examine model outputs for bad tokens, and confirm network/firewall rules. These checks resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.